This video will show how to create a shoe model in 3DSMAX. Now, we need to build a box first. Drag the base of the box. Then move your mouse upward. Then click to decide the height. Then right-click to choose Convert to Polygon Model. And then we can click the polygon button and choose the top face of the box. And right-click the extrude command, not the words, but the little box. So we can adjust the height by drag the amount. Now we must click the F3 button to show the line between face and face. Then extrude the face in the other direction. We also click the extrude button, then adjust the amount you need. Next step is the same method. We extrude the face again. We can choose the front of the shoe and use scale button to adjust the area. And you also can click the vertex button to adjust the detail of the shoe. You could use move button or scale button. And the next step is to make a hollow shell for the ankle part. Then we choose the top face, then right-click and choose Inset command to adjust the inner area here. Then we click the shortcut button to make the line construct was be seen. And we'll make the top face extrude on upside direction. We want to review F3 is make the line, all line can be seen, and the F4 is you can watch the line between two faces. Now we want to make more details, so we choose one edge and click ring button, then right click, choose connect button. Now we can see the edge has been connected by additional line. The same job, we can make the other direction details. So we choose the next edge and right click, choose connect command again. And do the same job on the base area. And we click scale button to change their shape. We always use scale and the move button to make the shape better. So you need to repeat them several times. And the next step is try to adjust the shape from another view. For example, you can adjust the vertex in top view. After you finish the adjustment, we can click vertex mode again to leave and to exit the adjust mode. Then we choose the modifier and find the turbo smooth method. Turbo smooth. And now you can see the shape become softer. If you want better shape, you need to click Show End button to adjust again. We also use Move and Scale button to adjust the vertex from different views. If you want the shape to be softer, you could make the turbo smooth iteration higher. From 1, change 2, and click ISO line display. Then make the line easily. Now we get the shoe from 3DSMAX.